This is a History Untold series. This part 1 is a little unknown part of Jamaican history that most people don't know. Most of us are familiar with the tram systems of England and America. When you think about it, this picture above shows a picture of the tram system in Croydon, East Croydon, which is South London. But do you know where this actual picture is and what part of the world it comes from? Can you guess? If you didn't guess, this picture is a tram system that was based in Jamaica. Now, if you haven't heard about this, it's just that the fact is history is hidden in many ways. And it's for you to find out more about where you come from and the history of your parents and foreparents. The West India Electric Company, registered in Canada, purchased the Horse Tramway on the 4th of December 1897 and began to electrification of the system, electrifying the total system from horse-driven to electric motors.